Welcome to our channel. If you want to automate your bill payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to save time, avoid late fees, and simplify your financial management. Step 1. Make a comprehensive list of all your recurring bills, including utilities, rent or mortgage, insurance premiums, credit card payments, subscription services, and loan payments, along with their due dates and amounts. Step 2. Review each bill to determine which ones have fixed amounts that don't change monthly, like mortgage payments, versus variable amounts that fluctuate, like credit card bills or utility costs. Step 3. Log in to your bank's online banking platform or mobile app and navigate to the Bill Pay section. Most banks offer free automated payment services that you can set up in just a few minutes. Step 4. Add each payee by entering their name, account number, and payment address. Your bank may already have the company in their system, making setup even easier with autofill features. Step 5. Schedule automatic payments by selecting the payment amount, frequency, and date you want the payment to be sent. For bills with fixed amounts, set up recurring payments, while for variable amounts, consider setting up payment reminders instead. Step 6. Ensure your checking account has sufficient funds to cover automated payments by maintaining a buffer balance. Consider setting up overdraft protection or linking a savings account as a backup. Step 7. Monitor your automated payments regularly by checking your bank statements and bill confirmations to ensure payments are processed correctly and on time. Update payment information when amounts or due dates change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.